Record. Hello, Reborns Babies 2. This is Carol Kenzie's Reborns 2. There's Bryson. And we got a baby haul. And I got this blankie right here. If you get it. This blankie. Wait. This blankie. I got the blanket. And surprise! I have a baby alive. See? And then I got a baby bed. And then hold that. And then I got this. The Christmas outfit. I got that for Bryson. If you could see it. And then we got another one. It's a Christmas outfit. See? And there's Bryson. And hello. Hi. I'm Reborn. This is Carol Kenzie's Reborns 2. And I got a new camera. Thanks for watching my video. I won't record long. And anybody got any questions, I hope y'all like my video. And Bryson says hi. Hi. And that's our baby haul. Right there. It should got it. Okay. That's my baby alive. I hope you see it, Callie. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, Myra. Bye, Julie. Bye, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye. And stop.